Hello and welcome to Online Learning Box. This is quick short video tutorial. In this video tutorial we are going to learn how to make or keep this image or any other image whatever you like to halftone effect, converted to halftone effect. So this is the image. You can download this image. I will keep this image link to description box. So here this is image. For make it a halftone effect, so first of all you should convert it to grayscale. So for this purpose, so go to image, mode, and here it is grayscale, and just it's showing you the rasterize. Yes, discard, and just one click it's converted to a black and white image. So colorful to black and white. How to convert? So go image, mode, grayscale. So it's just one click converted to black and white image. So now for the second step, what we need to do, go to image and mode, bitmap. Here hit OK, and this is completely up to you. I'm going to it's 45, or if you increase or decrease, it's completely up to you. So 30, 35, it's 45. So it's here in your options it should be like this, and you should change this mode method, so halftone string. So hit OK. After hitting OK, at certain frequency you should have to change. So here, and in your case it should be 90 degree or anything else. So it should be 0 degree, and change this round, diamond, anything else what you like. So hit OK. After hitting OK, you completely see this is converted to halftone effect, halftone image. So thank you for watching this video tutorial. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. And if you really like this video tutorial, please hit subscribe and share.